I gave it all. Yeah, I gave everything. I will never break the silence. When I look inside, I don't have to hide. If you're looking, you won't find it.
Sorry, kids.
Who's the enemy? Don't know what to believe.
Wow.
Living in the shadows.
That's amazing.
Living in the shadows. Light is breaking through the dark that is underneath. I know the truth, but for you it's just out of reach.
You feel something, don't you?